Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Ipsy boxes, so let's get into it and check them out. Full disclosure, these are my December boxes. You guys know I got sick. I did not get these done before I got sick, so we are digging into them now. It is my regular Ipsy Glam bag. This, technically, is my Boxycharm. Look at the new bag. I like it. It's so pretty. I like it so much better than the pink one. I love that they match now. If only this said Boxycharm. It doesn't really matter. I just think it's interesting. They keep calling it Boxycharm and showing us Ipsy. We are going to jump in first with my regular Glam bag. This is the OG, one of the first things I did on the channel. It is now $14 per month. Ooh, this is very festive. It looks kind of like, I mean, I get that they did it for December because it looks like a party, but it looks more like watermelon to me. So this would also be great in the summer. It's a little pinker than that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Something about it says watermelon to me. We have our paperwork. It does, yay, tell us a little bit about each of our products. So we have that. That's fantastic. I love it when we have all the info. Also, all of my goodies fit right in here. Oh, look, it's a little ball. First out, we have a Manicadar Diamond Dust. Let's see what that is. I have in the past tried many of the Manicadar products and liked them very much. I'm not sure what the Diamond Dust is. I've never used that. That is what it looks like, and our paperwork tells us that it's a roll-on pigmented shadow in Pixie. It is a highly pigmented roll-on shadow in a light pink shade that gives you a mess-free application and can be used as an eyeshadow, highlighter, or lip topper. It's formulated with minerals to soothe skin and provide long-lasting color all day, and it has a $14 value. Just looks like a regular roller ball up top. Oh. It rolls out. Can you guys see? It rolls out really easily, nicely. I mean, that is kind of fun. Here, let me rub it and see how easily it comes off. Yeah, I don't think that, oh yeah, there is some powder released. See, I don't know that I would do that directly onto my eye because there was some errant powder, but it would be a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. That is so pretty. Okay, that's kind of fun. Next out, I have a Dr. Brandt microdermabrasion. I will set this aside to pass along to somebody. I cannot use this. I've had this in much bigger tubes than this, and my skin can't hold up to it. It is an age-defying exfoliator. A cult favorite, this age-defying exfoliator gently polishes and smooths skin, buffing away dead surface cells for a smoother, brighter complexion in minutes. If this was full-sized, it would be 60 grams and 79 ounces. Still, this tiny little thing is like $13. Fairly impressive. Next out, we have the Detangler. It is from Silky. Guys, that is what it looks like. Oh, there we go. It is very bright. And it's Sleek. Oh, Sleek E. No, this says Silky. They've mistyped on here. Silky's Silk Hair Detangler Spray. Got knots? This lightweight detangling spray is formulated to effortlessly comb them out while also helping to prevent snaps and splits. I could totally use that. The snapping, I hate it because I hate losing hair due to breakage. I mean, I'm losing it other ways too, although the Vegamore, wow, the difference it's made. But I definitely don't like to hear my hair snap. Don't worry about product buildup either. The spray soaks right into your hair to help leave your strands smooth, soft, and perfectly bouncy. Spray on wet hair and comb through with a brush to detangle, hydrate, and smooth. 200 ml would be $22. We have 30 ml, so right around $3 worth. Next, we have Ace Beauté Slick Luster Lip Gloss. That sounds fun. I think this might have been my choice. Paperwork says this peach-colored lip gloss meets all our lippy criteria. It's non-sticky, super shiny, and oh so juicy. It provides the perfect finish for your pout and will leave you wanting more. If it were full-sized, it would be 0.12 ounces and $14. Yeah, I'm never going to be able to see on the bottom of this the size, but that's probably maybe half the size. I have on a fairly non-glossy lippy, so let's put a little bit of gloss over it. Feels nice. I like it. It's a good gloss. It is not sticky. I can't smell anything. It's like it has no scent. I don't think it has a lot of color. I think it just mostly goes off as gloss. So yeah, I like it. And last out of my regular Glam Bag, we have Farrah eyeshadow primer. Help your eyeshadow prop with this essential primer. Creates the perfect base for vibrant, creaseless, long wear looks. The MSRP of the full-size version is 10 ml at $18. And this is another one where I can't, it's too small. I can't see how many ml it is. I think that they guarantee that the original Glam Bag will have a $50 value. Did they up it to $60? Let me know below if you know that. As you could guess, I'm in no way affiliated with Ipsy, but I do love their product. It is one of my original ones. I think it's such a fun and fantastic way. I'm afraid when this finally lets go, it's all gonna come out. Fun and fantastic way to try new things. Can you guys see how firm that is? It literally curled up on top of my hand. Oh, but it feels very nice. A little bit of a silicone slip. Don't mind that in an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, I like the way that feels. I will for sure give that a try. I love some of my eyeshadow brushes that I like are Farrah brushes. Some of the ones I like the most are Farrah brushes, so it makes sense. I should try their eyeshadow primer. Okay, that was my original December 2023 You're the Main Attraction Ipsy Glam Bag. It is $14. I will put the link down below if you want to go over and check it out. Let's look at my Boxycharm. Boxycharm is $30. This comes out every month. However, if you sign up for the icon box, the icon box comes out quarterly, and if you get that, you don't get your Boxycharm box. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. Boxycharm, You Are the Main Attraction. A little bit of paperwork. Hopefully it will talk about our products in there. That is what we have. Let's see what it is. We will go ahead and start with what they chose for me and then go to what I chose. This is the Il Makiage Color Boss eyeshadow palette in Trendsetter. Color Boss Squad. It has a $48 value. It is very heavy, but a lot of the Il Makiage components are very heavy. They are also very pretty. They're very reflective. Oh, that is pretty. When you open it up, that is what it looks like. That is very pretty. It is also very neutral. I'm not going to swatch this because this is gorgeous. The pans in it are huge, but if I want to be able to pass it along, just so you know, it did not have the plastic, but I never touched the eyeshadows. It didn't have the plastic protecting them. But the paperwork says, this eyeshadow palette is the ultimate quad to help you create the perfect smoky eye, including a metallic maroon and a semi-matte champagne shade. This formula glides on like a dream, blends like a boss, and stays put all day long. It's very pretty. And the other thing they chose for me is, unless you do the boost, which I do, there will be 5 products in your Boxycharm box. They pick 2, you go in on choice day and you pick the other 3. So the 2 they picked for me were the Il Makiage and the JLo Beauty That Hit Single Gel Cream Cleanser. That is what that looks like. She's very shiny. Paperwork says it has a $38 value. Want to feel fresh, clean, and ready to slay the day? This gel to cream cleanser can help with all of that. It melts away makeup and impurities like a boss thanks to its glycolipids, rice bran, and fruit extracts. With a dreamy light floral scent and lathering formula, it'll leave your skin feeling super soft, refreshed, and ready for whatever is next. Okay, well, I just got one of my choices. It was on my Christmas list, was a 64 half gallon of Philosophy's Purity Face Cleanser. I'm very sensitive, you guys know that. And honestly, when I find something that works, I want to stay with it. Will I try other things? Absolutely. But this, I also might want to be able to pass along, so I am going to leave it sealed. That is a really nice component though. You know, wouldn't that look pretty just sitting in your shower? Very nice. Okay, next thing out that I chose is the Ciate Extraordinarily Brightening Under Eye Perfector. And who doesn't need an under eye perfector coming off of Christmas and New Year's and needing sleep really, really badly? That is what that looks like. I am happy to try this. It has a $24 value and it says, need a magic wand for your tired eyes? This under eye perfector is pretty close to it. Packed with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for a burst of hydration. This baby not only hides those pesky dark circles, but also plays super nice with your makeup. It's a one swipe wonder that'll earn a permanent spot in your beauty bag. I don't generally have a problem under my eyes, so I think that I will still try this. So we are going to go ahead and get into it. That is what it looks like on the inside. Well, it's nice and very smooth. I have a brush that will be perfect for this little pot. Looks like that. That is the color on me right here. So I think it will be perfect for under eye. It is very creamy and nice. And I have a mole right there that I just covered up with it, and it did a pretty good job covering my mole. So I'm gonna see that as a good sign about my dark circles. So hopefully this will not irritate my skin. Next out, we have the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. That is what that looks like. It is in Lose Control. I have to wonder what my choices are, that this is the choice that I made. Yeah, I don't think I kept a picture. Let me go back and see if I kept a photo. You guys know, see how brown that is? I can't believe I don't have a picture. I can't believe that I chose that color for me. I'm gonna put this away for a giveaway. It is very, can you guys tell? It is very rust, very brown. Absolutely not a color I can use. Also, I didn't love the formula of this. I might have ordered this though before we got the FabFitFuns with the formula in it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what was happening that day, but that color is not perfect for me and I don't love that formulation. So I will set it aside for somebody who can use it. Next out, we have the Pear Nova. I think it's an eyeshadow and eyeliner duo. The website says that it is a eye duo stick in eyeliner in rose quartz. Sounds perfect for me. That is what it looks like when we get it opened up. It has a $25 value, and it says the secret to epic eyes in just 60 seconds. This little wonder that's loaded with grapeseed oil and vitamin E to ensure velvety, smooth finish. With both eyeshadow and eyeliner in one perfect package, it makes your look both easy and gorgeous. I have been really, was that emphasis? Really trying hard to stick eyeshadows into my day-to-day routine when I'm not up here taping. When I come up to tape, I do a full eye of eyeshadow. But when it's just like tomorrow, my plan tomorrow is to go over and take down my parents' Christmas tree. I will still want a little bit of makeup on in case we go out to grab lunch or something, but I am really trying to use these. I have a couple of Laura Mercier's coming. I actually just picked one, I think for next month's Boxycharm. I actually picked a new color. I have Wild Rose and they let me pick a different colored rose one. I love it. Okay, this is the liner and then the eyeshadow color. I think I will use both of those. The problem I have, I can get it all over my lid and then take it up a little bit, no problem. Eyeliner, no problem. But I really like, because I have such a hooded eye. See, I have such a hooded eye that it closes so much of my space when I open my eye that I really need some darkness up here, kind of like I do with my powders. I need some darkness up here. And choosing a darker stick and blending it up there has not as yet been my forte. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm gonna get better at it. But that's why I have gone to, I used to avoid those like the plague. Now I choose every one that I can. But those are very pretty colors and I like them a lot. Last out, we have my boost. And my boost is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Genius Brow Serum. I have been using, you guys know, or maybe you don't. If you don't and you're new to the channel, welcome. I have very sensitive skin and my favorite skincare is City Beauty. I do the whole City Beauty line. I use as much of it as I can. They don't have a moisturizer that's quite moisturizing enough for me, but I use probably, I'm gonna say 10 of their products, just rounding. Love them. And I use their brow serum and it has absolutely made a difference in my brow. I put nothing on today but a little bit of clear just to straighten my brows out because I don't feel like doing my brows. So I hope that's okay. But I can do that now because I have enough brow, because the City Beauty has really helped. But I'm almost out of that. And I thought, you know, this is a perfect time. I'm pulling up the information. This is a perfect time to try something new. And this is the Anastasia one. I will tell you, that component is gorgeous. The paperwork says Brow Genius Conditioning Brow Serum, $65 value. Sick of faking full-looking brows? This serum helps you achieve real deal, healthier, fuller eyebrows with clinically proven results. It's formulated with damage-defying red clover, follicle-thickening Korean red ginseng, and strand softening panthenol to help you get your arches looking marvelous in as little as 8 weeks. So we're gonna give this a try. I can't put it on now, unfortunately, because I did put on a clear gel, but we're gonna give this a try. Oh, it's a brush on. So 8 weeks, we're gonna brush this on our brows and see what happens. And I guess I have absolutely noticed a difference with my City Beauty. So if I notice a difference in the other direction, then we'll know. And if I notice an even better difference with more brows, then we will know. But this is the perfect time, and I'm gonna give this a try. That was my boost. And your boost is an extra $15 each month, so it made it a $45 box. But this had a $65 value. So my boost alone covered my whole box, plus 20 bucks. And I am very happy to try this in my Boxycharm, dating way back to December. I got the Anastasia Eyebrow Eye Building Conditioner, the JLo Cleanser, the NARS Very Brown Lippy that I chose. Yeah, I chose it. The Pear Nova Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Stick, the Il Makiage that they chose for me. They chose for me the Il Makiage. It's going great. Everything's fine. The Il Makiage and the JLo is what they chose for me. And then I also chose the Under Eye Concealer. That was my December. It was $30 plus 15, so $45. Those were my 2 Ipsy boxes for December. I don't think I have even shipment. This is only January 4th, so I don't have shipment on my January boxes yet. I don't feel like they hurry right over with my boxes anymore, and I don't really care because as long as it comes like in the month, it's fine. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will link Ipsy below. I am in no way affiliated with them. I buy my own boxes. I hope that if you don't subscribe, you will consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope I will see you again really soon. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.